I'm at True North Fireplace here with Steve, our fireplace guru, and we're going to talk to you a bit about what makes this fireplace among the Cadillac of fireplaces. First off, I want to point out, obviously within a fireplace, there's the whole surround to consider when it comes to design and aesthetic. That's something really important to talk to your designer or your design build contractor about. Today we're talking specifically about this unit and what makes it awesome. Steve, shed some light on what makes this thing remarkable.
Man, one of my favorites, bar none. Fireplace Extraordinaire is the company that makes this. It's called the 864, which is a horrible name, but it's a big 42-inch fireplace, comes with two different outputs in terms of heating. So whether you want some heat or you want more heat, you're able to do that. Different log sets you can pick from, 7 different interiors, top-down lighting, lighting for the embers. It's just a sight to behold. Lots that you can do with it. Over 10, 12 different fronts that you can achieve on it, from something clean to something more ornate that's hand-built, that takes 2 weeks per fireplace in a factory by one gentleman, a master forger named Marcus. Just an amazing fireplace to look at.
Yeah, so super customizable. I think that's the key, is you got to pick how this thing's going to perform, but also the aesthetic that you want. In this case, we have this hand-forged door, which looks remarkable if that's going to be your aesthetic. If you want something a bit more clean and perhaps a bit more modern, that's also available too, with all the different options within how the door system can present. I would say overall, I mean, this thing is something to really consider performance and function in combination with the aesthetic you're after, and this thing really does provide you with a lot of flexibility for how it can look and perform at a super high level for you. Well, thanks a lot, Steve, for hosting us, giving us a tour of the showroom and showcasing some of these units for us.
Anytime.
I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. We'll see you next time.